We are at the VA Rufino underpass, which is under Ayala Avenue. It's a Sunday as usual. So, punta kami sa mga ganap today. Maraming mga ganap ngayon eh. So, ano ba tayo? Left or right? Like I said, maraming ganap ngayon sa araw na to. So, sisilipin natin yung mga ganap na yon. That is Ayala Avenue. That side there is Legazpi Village, if you're not familiar. And the side we are in now is Salcedo Village. Papunta tayong HV de la Costa. Dun sa street ng favorite vlogger ni TTT. That's where we're going.
Aww. Hope she's there.
Itong pupuntahan namin is it's a bazaar inside a building. Nauuso yung mga ganyan, no? Yung mga empty spaces sa mga buildings. They have become event places. They've become bazaar venues. Nakikita ko din recently ang mga jewelry store nasa loob na ng mga buildings. So nandun na sila na sa mga higher floors. The plants are almost dry. Hindi sila nagdilig. Anong oras kaya sila? Baka mamayang hapon pa sila magdidilig. Yun. So dito tayo dumaan kasi dito tayo hindi naman shortcut because it's the only way to get to the HV de la Costa. Well, there's another one there but I don't want to take that route. I want this route. May ano ba dyan? May opening banda doon. Is this I forgot what park this is called. Salcedo Park. But Salcedo Park has a real name. If we were here yesterday, puno ito ng this becomes a marketplace every Saturday. So what you see on a Saturday, puro kiosk and tents selling samutsan.
Jaime Velasquez Park.
Yeah, it's called Jaime Velasquez Park. Thank you, TTT. TTT is short for the Transcendental Tourist. He has his blog, BLOG, WordPress. So if you want to read up on his ruminations and travels, you can visit his blog.
And art history.
Well, and some art history recently because TTT is has become an art appreciation teacher for the last how many years?
Couple.
Just for a couple of years because his core competence is really teaching academic writing and language. But you never taught language, diba? In the university, it was academic writing.
I did too.
Ay, talaga? Anong name ng course?
Anglicom.
Anglicom. Anyway, ayan na. Tumatagagtak na. I'm breaking, sweat? Breaking to sweat? Anong term? Ito pala yun. Oo. Because there's another Frabel sa Salcedo. Tapos yung chinek ko sa Google Map, doon niya tayo nililid. Buti dito tayo dumaan. Otherwise, bubalik na naman tayo. May title? Wala, no? Barong-barong ba yan? But in gold. That's the artist. So, akit na tayo. Wala ka dapat na. Magpapalit ka ng chan.
Your chan is going to be bulging.
Diba? Ay, medyo see-through.
I don't wanna flaunt my chan.
What do you call it?
Bulol.
Bulol.
With the molar candle.
Yeah. Ikaw gumawa niya?
Yes po, kami ng friends ko, sila yung nag-mix.
Wow. So we're on the 19th floor. I'm so scared there. It's so hot. I want to go back inside. I cannot, Ay! This is the This is where your Your favorite is
Vlogger.
Yeah, that's where she lives. This one cannot be that one. There are two towers. So let's wave. Hi. Let's see her. We're having our lunch. Parang lunch na siya. No? Anong oras na kasi?
Lunch na pala to.
But for 235
We can
pesos.
lunch there at Tiong Baru.
Yung Baru. No, we go to ano na lang. Sige, napunta na tayo dun sa Legazpi Park. Kasi may event din dun. So,
Indai's pasalubong came ahead of her.
yeah, why were she? Nasa Japan ba siya ngayon?
Yeah, she's in Fukuoka.
Okay. Ano pala siya? Ballroom, function room. Akala ko mga empty office spaces. Nakakatuwa kasi ang daming mga tawag dito, participants. Nasabi ko baka next year they have their own boutiques na. Sabi ni TTT, baka may mga boutiques na yan. We're not just familiar with their brand. So baka nga. Tara, let's walk na. That building there is now BDO Towers, but when we were younger, that was Citibank. We had a friend, Christina, who used to work there. But the real reason why we're videoing this area is this portion here na may crane. May Chowking pa dati dyan. Parang it's a big mall for restaurants. Now it's gone. And this is a big crane. So this is going to be a huge tall building. So ayan. Pwede na tayong tumawid. Nainis si TTT kasi kanina. Gusto niya nang tumawid. Sabi ko wag muna. Mag-video ako. That is your life. If you have somebody who wants to document the walk,
It's my fate.
super ka naman, maka-fake. So that was Valero Street. It's a street away from Paseo de Rojas. Diyan sa may New Mandarin na hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin open. That's where we're going. Para yan sa mga POS and I forgot the name of the event. It's a second place. At least ngayon mayroon tayong pinupuntahan. Kasi maraming ganap today. Let's take the E2 instead of just making tawid there. Although may nakita akong afam na bata, tumawid dyan. Wag na lang, dito na. Let's make it easier for our life to persist in this world. We have another reason to come back here on Saturday because it's Dia del Libro. Woo! Nanati. Yeah. Oye, ¿qué tal? Let's emerge from the basement to the world. Akala ko ba for pets? Bakit parang may tiyanggihan dito?
Now you know where the clothes are from.
May ukay-ukay. Pero baka kulog lang. So nasa ukayan na yung Trader Joe's.
Kumain ka na ba?
Post. Ano ibig sabihin ng post? So this is a weekend flea market. Flea market yung kanina. And pet fair.
Bauhaus.
Artista ba yan? She looks familiar. She's so payato. And she's pretty even without the makeup. So, or you want to take a photo of her?
I will take your cake.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
Oh, si BPI is here. So, mas masaya dito sa pause at the Post Fair because nakakita tayo artista. So, lakad-lakad lang tayo sa katanghalian tapat.
Shopla.
Ang ginit.
Shoppa.
Ang ginit-ginit. May nakita na ba tayong kakainan? Ayun, may upuan na naman doon. bakery. I'm an old boy. Sabi ko dun sa booth, I'm an old boy. Sabi niya, na ano siya, tongue-tied. But I am an old boy. It's not a self-deprecating statement.
It's just factual.
It's factual.
Or di na tayo mag-lunch sa ano?
Sa baba uli? Okay.
Para malamig.
Tara, let's go. Tara. Doon tayo sa aircon. Ano lang tayo, silip. Pero hindi talaga tayo nag-participate.
Vibe lang tayo with the fur baby.
Look at them.
Oh, fur baby.
Our New York
I'm sure.
quite really different. She's allergic though to chicken. So I
Hello. Po burrito. Mas mahal pa ang budget sa aso kaysa sa tao. Oh my God, look at this dog. Ang laki niya. Hello. Like who?
Aloka.
Sino yung si Aloka?
My favorite fur baby at the moment.
Show me who Aloka is.
This is Aloka.
Pero hindi yan yung picture nung kanina. Ano? What do you call it?
The peace fur baby.
Peace? P-E-A-C-E?
Yeah,
Okay.
because he's a fur baby of some Buddhist monk.
Ah, talaga? Saan naman base yung Buddhist na yan?
Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka. Okay. Aloka. Lapit mo kasi titignan ko yung ano. Aloka, tignan mo. May kamukha ka.
Eureka.
Walang pakialam si Yuri sa'yo.
It's you.
Ang cute. I'm not a plant.
You're a plantita.
Yeah. But I wouldn't say it's a new pet. Kasi kung matagal ka ng plantito, matagal ka na nag-aalaga ka.
Pots are for sale po.
Ah, really?
Yeah. These are, if you feel it, it's very, very light.
Ah, talaga?
Yeah, you can call
I
it.
thank you. There you are. How do you pronounce this? Catch. Okay, thank you, Catch. Ah. Pasok na tayo sa aircon. We're here at our favorite carinderia. Air-conditioned artisanal carinderia. I'm thinking to order this 89 peso thingy of a chicken or the crispy pork binagoongan. I've always ordered the binagoongan.
So you try something else.
This one. But I think I want the I'll order the binagoongan. Anong orderin mo?
Sisig.
Zizig. Asan dyan ang sisig?
100.
100 lang kasi ano, bawasan mo. 15%, ano, mahal na yun. Plus another 9 pesos. Chow time.
Ciao.
Bon appetit. This is our greatest hack. You're at the shops at the Areala Triangle, but we're eating at the market, Robinson's Market something. We're not eating at the Italianis and the Japanese restaurant.
Eat naman at Amici over there.
This is what I call artisanal social carinderia. So tapos na ang lunch natin. What time is it?
Time check. Quarter to 3.
Well, meron ding market something doon. So silipin natin. Tapos since a meal is never complete without a dessert for you, doon na tayo mag-dessert. So mag-dessert talaga kayo, no? Kasi kami, si Elnora, hindi kami nagde-dessert. Well, kinakain namin yung what could be a dessert, pero it doesn't have to be after a meal.
Can we really call it dessert?
Ah, okay. So we're enjoying an after lunch walk. Tapos TTT was saying if we could only have this kind of park in Pasay. Actually, it doesn't matter anymore kasi we're just less than 3 kilometers from here. Para na rin siyang part ng Pasay.
Imagine if I walk to work through something like this.
Oh.
Could be a good quality of life.
Ano nga yung sports na yan?
Sepak
Ha? Ano? Hindi, Arnis. Did you take Arnis? Kasi parang nung grade school, high school kami, parang pwede kang mag-Arnis.
We no, we didn't have it.
Oh, you did not? But I did not choose to take Arnis. Nagano ako, karate.
Wow.
Yes. Pero hindi ako umabot sa ano.
Anong belt?
Naku, Diyos ko, hanggang dun lang yata ako sa yellow. Yung ba yung pangalawa? White, yellow, and something. Tapos may story ako about that judo. Yung aking sparring partner and nadala. May portion doon na hawakan mo. Ito. Yung basta may may choreography. Tapos ang nun, ang dulo ng choreography, yung ulo, gaganon mo kunyari. Ulo ko yun. Ginanon niya talaga. Siyempre, umiyak ako. Ay, nako, di ko makalimutan yung day na yun.
Ano siyang role?
Hindi ko alam kung I forgot his name na rin. Pero ano yun siya, lagi ko siyang ka-sparring partner kasi I think ka-height ko siya. Baka may makita tayong, let's see if there's an interesting book we can borrow. May book akong hiniram dito, babalik ko yun, natapos ko na yun eh. Hindi ko naman naisip. Ikaw, yung makakapal na books na yan, ano yan? Baka naman it would take me 2 years to finish the book. Oh my God, it says Kluwer College Bundle. Can you open it and check it out for me? May mga ano pa siya, oh. Ano yung
Mga chapters.
Oo. Buksan mo.
It's in German.
German, Aleman.
Look at the font.
Ay, sus ko. Ang kapal na, maliit pa yung fonts. Aleman pa. Tara? Why are you so busy? Ano yung sinachat mo?
No, I was searching for that book that I want to read. So, kasi the title is just there.
What is
Who
the book
author?
about?
Psychological.
Psychological.
It's mystery.
Alright. May building na nakatalukbong ng net. Ginigiba na din. The changing skyline in this part of the metro.
The changing cityscape.
Yes. Yeah. Mas marami ng tao kasi hindi na mainit, malilim na ngayon. Pa-video
Okay.
Hello, ang
Sorry, she's very hungry.
Ang taka. Anong name niya?
Sushi.
Sushi. And you? What's your name? Primo? Wow!
Pogi.
Pogi nga, oh. Hello. Ang cute.
Ayaw na?
Nasa panulukan tayo ng Paseo and Ayala. I-document ko lang what used to be the old BPI building tapos na tinibag. Ngayon, there's already a new one sa tapat ng The Enterprise and this insular building. Sayang lang, the sun is behind it so hindi siya clear. But anyway, dito tayo sa underpass and this is my first time to see this painting. Pasok ka TTT para ikot tayo. Hindi, sige ako na lang. Tagal mong dumating. There. Does it say who the artist is? May nakapirma ba? Pero itong isa, yung Pisara, yan. Ang artist is Art Attack. Tapos si Atwale Boy 2000. I like this one. It's an old lady. So that's the old teacher. Oh, I like the flower. Is this the flower sa natin, Bandila? Well, the sun. So, para makapunta tayo dun sa third event, kailangan nating baybayin ang Paseo de Roma. Papunta dyan sa may Corinthian Plaza. Kasi I think it's something to do with Thai. It's a Thai day in that part of Makati. Naka-attend na kami niyan before. Ang ginanap yan sa Thailand Street. I forgot the old name of Thailand Street. Sa Rada, sa Rad. Pero ngayon, hindi nila gagawin sa Rada Street. Doon mismo sa Legazpi Park. That is one of the OG buildings in Makati. Si Inday Gamay, I think the employer had an office there. Parang may memory ako niya. Not really. She came over to report or something. Parang ganun lang. This is, pakita ko muna yung Perea Street. Okay, kita ba? That's where I met TTT 3 decades ago. I met him in one of those older buildings. LTA building. There is, I like this street and another one, the parang Esteban, na mapuno. This building here, na puro, yung may Union Bank, AUB, East-West. There used to be a bank there, Interbank, when I was very young. Kasi my SIL, my sister-in-law used to work for Interbank. Tapos dito siya mismo nag-off. I forgot why I went there to her. Tapos we're at the Gallardo Street. This used to be PCI Bank building. Ang memory ko naman dyan, hindi ako nagbabangko dyan, but I had a classmate who was also a broker. Tapos, I worked for ASB Realty. Tapos, she was accredited and I was the one handling her, kung may mga needs siya. So, I was just walking there one morning. I don't know if I was late or I was going to somewhere else. Nag-text siya sa akin. Sabi niya, I think may benta ako. Ha? Okay, so, pupunta ka sa office? Yeah, pupunta ako sa office. Alright, antayin kita, hindi na ako. Anong oras ka pupunta? So, parang, siguro mga 10 or 11 or 1. Sabi ko, sige, I'll be there. Sabi ko, where are you ba? Kasi, sabi niya, nasa PCI Bank. Where? In Makati. In Makati, where? Along Paseo de Rojas. Along Paseo de Rojas kasi I'm standing along Paseo de Rojas in front of a PCI Bank building. So sinabi niya yung building na yun. Sabi niya yung katabi ng Pioneer House and I forgot that building. Sabi niya, really? Because I'm standing right in front of it. Sabi niya, talaga? Pasok ka nga. So pagpasok ko nandun siya. Tsaka yung client niya, bumibili ng manager's check. So sabi nung client niya, sabi niya, na-uncle din niya, sabi niya, oh, really? How fast naman is the service? I'm impressed. Sabi ko, serendipity. I love that memory. Parang tumaas tuloy yung energy ko.
Where is she?
Well, she's a donya. She has a big house somewhere in New Manila, but I've never been there. So, we can already hear some music playing, full blast. Malapit na tayo. Anyway, I'm here along Palanca Street. I have another memory that I want to record in my vlog. Oh, ingat ka, may sasakyan. That building there, that is, there's a sun behind it. Ang kwento ko naman dyan, may phone in, people who inquire through phone. Nag-inquire. Somebody from Negros. So, I was so excited na mag-call. Kasi he has a branded name. But he did not buy from me. I kept following up. He was always in Sagay. Syempre, that was 30 years ago. I was calling Bacolod pa. Tapos sasabihin nung secretary, wala siya dito. He's in Sagay. But they did not have a phone or did not want to give me the phone. Sayang. So, I wonder if at my age, magpo-full circle ba ako? Mabebentahan ko ba yung family na yan? Somehow, somewhere. Diba? Or baka may condo kayo sa Boracay, patirahin mo ako. But I'm thinking baka wala na yon kasi when I made the call, he was old already. So, kahit na, diba? We'll never know. The world is round. Si Elnora, my mother, is always saying, the world is round. Ano yan? Mes spite yun pag sinasabi niyang the world is round. So, ibig sabihin,
Karma.
meron, merong pinag-uusapan na probably did not treat her well. So sasabihin niya, the world is round. We can hear somebody singing a ballad. The last time that we were here, the ambassador parang had so many songs. He sang so many songs. So, baka siya uli yan. Pasok tayo dito sa Washington CC. Hindi, wag na. Diretso na tayo dito.
And since it's all true, how could anyone be more to leave than
You know that song, right? No, my Lua. Sing it.
Okay, but what do you want to... Come on, everybody! Let's help her out. Come on, here we go. Oh, I wanna dance with somebody.
Ayun labo.
Thank you, ma'am.
We're ordering the Thai tea for 125 pesos. So I wonder how
And
it
since there are
tastes.
more singers here,
So
that would like to
we're
sing
at
a song.
Kiang by Tamor?
As we're also limited in time,
So
we're probably
King of
gonna have
Thai street
the song in half.
food.
Actually, I was about to order Thai.
So let's do this. The other one is longan juice.
bestseller, ma'am.
So I don't have longan. Okay. Alright. Yes. What do you mean? Okay, Thai ka longan. Alright. Okay. Can you hear him? Marunong naman palang magdala ng yabang. May bubuga naman pala yung patang niya. Alin ito? Longga. Anong color kinuha mo?
be clear?
Ano daw
Ako
yan?
sa iyo kasi pumasok ka doon, para silang Red Sea na nag-part yung mga girls. Tapos,
Yeah, Mogu Mogu. What is it? Sarap, red. We've attended one like this in the past and we enjoyed it. And today, I do not regret coming here. Diba? It's a very...
we had a free concert.
We had a free concert. Our people are singing Filipino, American, Thai songs. And I was surprised that many sang along with the other one. Diba? Maraming mahilig sa Thai culture. Thai pop. P-pop.
I had longan.
I had Thai tea.
Longan tastes like aratilis.
Yeah, maraming aratilis. Yes.
Medyo lighter.
Itinikman ko yung yellow, clear. Nasarapan ako.
That's what I got.
So on my third balik, sabi ko abusuhin na kita. Sabi niya, bigyan na lang kita, sir. So yun ang bilhin nyo sa punta na kayo sa suking tindahan. It's a beauty drink, diba? Bili mo na, gaganda ka.